Welcome this video hand design idea and also now to us Mehndi is a century old form of baby art used for beautiful calendar and explored term appear for wedding fasted roaming hen are into goddess art for application its more palette and contemporary natural beauty. Whether you have beginning or a seasoning art, there are world of design possibility wait for your country. Traditional Indian hand design. Hand is now for its dining detail palette that often cover the full hand and fade. Temperament functional. Potter style that create a feel flower look. Arabic hand design. Arabic Mehndi is simple yard both with line and more open space. This style is more just a quick application and a lost over while look. Flower contact by various excess hand minimize male long range look in palette or a smart full type. Flower warm palette open start at the warm tab up to the finish for the grateful touch. Rabbit design are popular for smart calendar, warm. Geometric hand. Hand art is both for geometric if of